Welcome to the Great DV Bake Off. I'm your host, Daniel.
I'm truly pleased to be here judging these wonderful young bakers and their cookie creations, aren't you?
They all look so determined. I'm truly convinced that they will all bring amazing pastries to my mouth.
Today we have 3 determined contestants ready to show off their cookie decorating skills to our panel of judges.
I'm Rory, I'm 37 and I'm from Oregon.
Hi, I'm Liam Moon, I'm 22 and I'm from Louisiana.
I'm Ezra, I'm 32 years old and I'm from Pittsburgh.
For our first round, our contestants will create the face of a minion on a cookie. For our second round, our contestants will create the likeness of one of our judges on one of their cookies. And for our third and final round, we'll be switching up the competition and giving our contestants full creative liberty in which they will decorate a cupcake however they choose. Each round will be 1 minute long. On your marks, get set, decorate. Up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone place down all of your things and get ready to judge.
Is this how you think a minion looks like?
Did you even watch the movie?
I did, yes. Spiritual minion.
Spiritual minion.
Did you get it? Did you watch it on a pirated website? Go back to your station.
We told you to make a minion, instead you made Mike Wazowski. It's alright, not the best.
Okay, Palmer, on to you.
It looks delicious. I'm gonna rate it a 10 out of 10.
Now, I would say it would have been safer choice to go with a different minion such as Barbara Stewart, as this is a one-eyed minion and it does look very bland.
I like the pointy eyes and the smile. Honestly, you have a lot of detail here than the other ones. I think this one's the best one so far. No, I don't hate it, but I don't like it.
Looks like the Fortnite guy. Looks like Travis Scott.
Okay. Does look rather delectable, but I do not know where this green mouth comes from, because in Minions or Despicable
That's the overall, stupid. Have you ever seen Minions? That's the pants.
Oh, that is his pants.
That's not the smile. This is a smile.
All right, contestants, choose your favorite judge and get to decorating in 3, 2, 1, go.
Divine.
Hopefully the waters are calm between our 2 contestants after that horrific fight. Now, Rory, please bring up your cookie for judging.
It seems they are blushing with a smile, and she has dyed her hair gray pigmentation. Okay, I'll give it a 6.9 out of 10.
Yeah, I like it. It's actually really cute. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Yeah.
It looks better than all the other cookies the others have made. It kind of matches. It's pretty good. I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10.
Bloody hell. It's gorgeous. It reminds me of my younger days when I still had my papa. I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
I think it looks like him, in a way. You know, you got the eyes, you got the nose. You know, kind of bad, but I'll rate it.
It looks beautiful.
I can see the face, no nose, a mouth, and green hair. And limbs of Frosty?
Yes, frosting limbs. That's correct.
I do have to give you credit for adding the whole body because, you know, you added the details. But it's pretty scary.
I look like the Joker.
Yes, that was something that I did
Yes,
notice.
sir.
Start getting to work on your third and final round.
I cannot speak on this pastry because any words I could use would do it a disservice to its appearance.
I have to agree, it's the best one I've seen this round.
It's I
No
too emotional
words.
for this.
I would say I like it, but I do not see the meaning. There is
Sunset.
sunset.
It's an art project.
Purple, red, orange, and yellow. I'll leave it at that.
You know what this reminds me of? When I get up and I see those dots around my eyes, this reminds me of that. I don't really like it because it's not a good memory.
Looks like my dog's butthole.
This reminds me of that multicolored liquid from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. The Flintstone Le Fleur. I am sorry. This is not good enough to make the cut. Off to you, Rochelle.
I think it's boring. It just looks like a bunch of colors mixed together, and I think that's what you did. I honestly don't see any meaning to this.
It's not as sus as the other one, so I'm gonna have to put it down.
After some hard judging, our judges will now discuss their favorites and choose a winner. So, who's been doing well and who hasn't?
My least favorite cookie was the Joker cookie, and I think Donald's cookie was probably the best one in my opinion.
What was your favorite pastry?
The Among Us one. My least favorite was the Joker.
The cookie that was modeled after my face. It was absolutely beautiful and tasted immaculate. My least favorite cookie and my will to live was drained by the sunset monstrosity that was given to me by Lyle.
It is with gratitude to announce the winner, Ezra, and the loser, Lyle.